Well, tonight, a Lee Summit teen is still in a coma from being shot in the face. Since the accidental shooting, we're still working to answer questions about how it all happened.
Now, to give you some perspective, in the past year, there have been 3 accidental shootings in Kansas City. 2 of those have been deadly. Tonight, Jackson County prosecutors say child endangerment charges could apply against the person whose gun accidentally shot the teen last week.
Well, 13-year-old Alyssa Howe is still in the hospital after she was shot at a Lee Summit home. And as Jake Peterson reports, prosecutors are still reviewing the case. Jake?
Yeah, Elizabeth, and that could take some time. Police say Howe was with a group of teens when one of them found that loaded 9mm and it went off. All the adults in the house were upstairs, leaving the teens downstairs.
Investigators are still looking into charges, but this attorney says he wouldn't be surprised if an arrest was made.
Which could rise up to felony type charges for having, again, a loaded, deadly weapon accessible where children are going to be present.
Bert Haig with a Curso law firm says prosecutors look at several factors before they charge, including how easy is it for the child to get the gun.
Anytime a parent has a loaded handgun accessible where children can get to the gun, can handle the gun in any type of a situation where they're not supervised by the gun owner, the parent could very well face criminal responsibility.
He says the law doesn't require keeping the gun unloaded and hidden, but it's a parent's responsibility to keep the gun out of their child's hands.
This is a Glock Model 23.
Reese Dalton agrees. He's a former deputy sheriff and current owner of JS Supply.
That's stupidity to just leave a house with a gun loaded, knowing kids are coming in and out of there.
He says gun safety is more important now than ever. The NRA says nearly half of American homes are armed.
The major responsibility is gun safety, especially with a firearm, and it's our responsibility to secure those guns against kids.
And if you don't, lawyers say, you could go to jail. Prosecutors say it could take a few more weeks to review this case.
And attorneys say the law regarding keeping kids away from guns is virtually the same on both sides of the state line. Jake Peterson, 41 Action News.